Hi friends, we are having a special guest today with us. He is Mr. Saket Doshi, currently working as design engineer at Fort Collins, USA. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
We are very pleased to have you today. So please address our engineering students.
Glad to be here. Hey, hello, friends. Hi, guys. Yeah, it's being an engineer is a really exciting and nice opportunity as well as very exciting field. And I know there are a lot of different domains that you might be in, and primarily you might be in computer engineering, software engineering. Uh, it's been really a fun journey for me. I did my schooling in Solapur, then I did my undergrad engineering education in Pune, VIT Pune, and right after my engineering, I decided to get my master's in USA. And do that, I did start preparing for my master's GRE exam as well as planning and preparing for the application process to US universities in my since my third semester of engineering. And with all those exams and everything preparation, I was able to start my master's right after my graduation, after my engineering degree. And the engineering education experience in USA has been really different, but really very helpful. And with my current job, I've been using whatever I learned in my masters, and more than and more some more. You get to learn a lot of things while you're on job. So keep in mind, none of our degrees will prepare you for your job definitely, but they are more of a basic training, basic understanding, and foundation of your engineering skills. So you need to be really focused while you are studying right now. You need to be focused on learning and understanding all the basics, fundamental concepts really well. And our exams are usually the exams are kind of way, it might come out as harder, but that is where if you have learned and understood the concepts, you will not be the hard exam will not be a concern for you. You have to prepare from the concepts point of view. Don't just prepare, oh, these are the two examples I see in the book and I will go over those two examples and understand how to solve them. You need to be ready to solve any example or any question based on the concepts you learn. So keep in mind that is what you have to do. Other thing I learned while doing my masters. So in India, when we do engineering, we most of the time, I think I've seen that's what has happened with me, my friends. Usually throughout the semester, we have fun, we enjoy our college days, and then when the preparation leave PL starts, everybody goes into this studying mode and they start studying, preparing for the exam. And we still do we can, like, within that 1 month or whatever that preparation time we have, we do well. But to really make you good engineers or great engineers, you need to be you need to learn continuously while you are going through this semester. So in India, like in USA, for my masters, during our masters here, they carry out exams like unit exams, in class tests, once every couple 2 weeks, sometimes once every week, sometimes once every month. And all these exams, the score in these exams will count towards your final degree score. So in USA, while doing masters, one thing that I learned is you have to keep learning and keep studying every week. You cannot just say, oh, okay, I will wait for this when I prepare for my exam, because in USA you will have exams continuously. So continuously studying really will help. And regarding getting ready for the job, uh, yeah, once you have these foundational concepts understood well, you have the coding skills, you have understood how to code, you have learned different languages and programming skills. These are your kind of initial primary skills that will enable you to get a job. But to succeed and to grow in your job as an engineer, you need to have more than just pure technical skills. So they call it as soft skills, where you need to know how to write good emails, how to make good presentations, how to talk to people, how to, like, if you want to become a manager in later in your career, then you need to know how to manage people, their time. So all these things are also important. So you need to, while you are in college, do whatever interests you and where you are excited about all these different uh, uh, non kind of non curricular activities. Do participate in them so that you build your soft skill set as well. That will help you a lot in your career. So yeah, is that so, ma'am, is that something what we wanted to cover? Do you have any more
Yeah. Yeah.
questions?
No, thank you. Yes, you wanted to say that we should focus on the basics and we
Yes.
should be keep on learning.
Yes, and don't ever think that after you graduate you don't have to study, because once you are in the job, you there will be new things, new technologies that will come up, and to be to succeed and be best in your job, you will have to keep learning and be ready for that. So that's why I said focus on basics, because today the basics is object oriented programming. Once you learn that, then tomorrow, today somebody is using C++. 5 years down the line, people might use Java. 10 years down the line, they might be using some different language. But it's when you're there is a new language, you're just learning syntax. But if you know the concepts of object-oriented programming, you can pick up any higher level programming language and excel in it. So do focus and make sure you understand those concepts, so that will help you succeed and learn new languages, get new skills, and succeed in your career.
Thank you, sir, for being with us. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate and really happy that you are doing this video series, and wish all the best to your students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.